Finally, the wait is over and I got my hands on the DJI Air 3S. This drone here is going to take my videos to the next level only if I start shooting, if I start flying the drone and adding that footage to the videos. Let's see what we get in the box and why I chose this specific model. This drone here is actually a store-bought drone, not an online purchased one. So being a store-bought drone, I had to unwrap the plastic of this box and check the basics of the drone, if the components are all in there or not. You know, the basic checks when you go out and buy something from the store. So the real unboxing of the drone is going to be right now. Knowing what all we get in the box and the look and feel of the drone, how's it going to be. So the three good reasons why I chose this model is that number one is the dual camera. It offers a dual camera. Number two, the ND filters in box, which we get in the Fly More combo. Number three, the 14-stop dynamic range. That's an amazing feature this drone offers. So enough of talking, let's get this bad boy out of the bag. First up, we have the aircraft itself. Let's see how it is going to be looking like, and I don't have any words to say right now because I'm already in the cloud nine for having my own aircraft, like my own drone. You know, that's really good. It's already looking amazing. So let's keep this aircraft aside for some time and let's see what all we get in the bag. Just a disclaimer, this is not any promotion video. I bought this drone for myself. There's no sponsorship, there's no promotion included in this video. So let me give you the brutal, honest first impressions of the drone, of the box, and all the components that we have in the bag. Next up, we have the propellers. Let's open it up. Amazing. We have 10 sets of propellers. It's a great addition. Let's keep them aside and see what else we have in the bag. Oh, what do we have here? Amazing. These are the ND filters. Look at them, how shiny they are. One of the reasons that I chose this specific model is the ND filters that are included in the Fly More combo, because the other ones are not included, I guess, and within the budget range that I have. So let's keep them aside and see what else we have. Okay, all right, next up we have the RC controller. It feels really good in the hand, and let's open it up. Looks and feels are very premium, and the soft touch material here is going to give you a good grip. I don't know how the screen would look like and the performance is until we turn on this one and the aircraft. Let's do it in a while. Let's keep this aside and see what else we have in the bag. Okay, the battery casing, the extra batteries and the battery casing. Let's open this up. We have 3 batteries in the Fly More kit. One battery is already in the drone, and here are the 2 other batteries. Unfortunately, we don't have the charger adapter included in the bag. We need to buy it separately. If you want to have the DJI one, which is 100-watt power charger, you need to press these buttons to pull out the battery. I'm gonna take this one out. Yeah, easy peasy. Let's see how much of battery is left. There is not much of battery left in this one. To try it out. So let's keep everything aside. Let's charge these batteries and fly it and see how the aircraft is performing and how it really feels in the air, how confident I am about flying the drone. So there are some manuals in here. Let's take them out and see what else we have. Some silicone gel papers, and this is the USB-C to USB-C cable. I think this is for the charging, and let's keep that aside. I don't know if I want to open this one. Maybe some manual about how the drone is going to be. I think this is dust resistant and water resistant up to some degree, up to some level. Not sure, but it's up to you to risk it. But be very careful while taking out the drone in different weather conditions. Let's keep everything aside and charge the batteries for a while, and we'll do the first flight in some time once the batteries are fully charged. We'll see you in some time. We are on top of the terrace, and I'd like to safely take off the drone. All right. We have also added the ND32 because it's so sunny, and the time right now is 3:41 right now. So the ND32 should be good. I think we are good to take off. Take off. Okay. All right. Shall we?
Home point updated.
Alright, we're back at the studio again. It was a nice, decent, not so much of a flight time, but it's been very long time since I've operated a drone. The last one was maybe around 2018 or 2019. That's DJI Mavic Air, which was super old. And this drone here is pretty awesome. So it was just a basic flight that I wanted to test it out, and this weekend we have planned something more. I hope there'll be more flight time, there'll be more such videos, there'll be more aerial shots in the next video. So stay tuned for the further videos and I'll see you in the next one. Ride safe.